Hello, and welcome back to another EPC unboxing. Today we're looking at this steam machine, the brand new one. I just got it in from on the wait list and waiting. Let's see how it looks and everything. I haven't unboxed it yet, so let's see. It comes in with this box with, on this side here, all the manual and all the information you'll need for the steam machine, nicely packed there for you. In the middle you have here the steam machine and its little fabric bag. And once we lift it out here, we'll have, I believe, the cables that come with it, the power cord and the HDMI. We've got here the power cable for the steam machine. And then over here on the opposite side in the box, a HDMI cable for your console of the steam machine. And then we have in the bag here the steam machine where it's wrapped up in this nice very fabric bag. Let me get it out a little bit better. And then it comes wrapped in this plastic that you can just pull off. Oop, not ripping there. Then you've got a front with the faceplate that's magnetized so you can just pull off. And shows the grill with all the actual heat sink and everything. Then at the very bottom you've got, let me get it put on there, two USBs with, I believe, a micro SD or SD card slot. And then you've got the power button here with the little light. And then you have on the back here the big fan that cools the entire system with a display port, an HDMI port, power plug, Ethernet, two USB, and then a USB-C. Overall, it's good packaging as usual for Steam. With the Steam controller, it had very similar packaging, very simple, clean, easy to find all your information, all of the different parts and everything. Overall, I'm excited to see what they do with more technology or devices they create. Overall, it's a nice little package, really easy to customize your plate or faceplate rather. However you like. It's a nice little package. I'm excited to see how powerful it is and how well it runs with heat and noise. And if you want to see how it is to tear down, follow us and see when the teardown is for it. Thank you for watching.